Hello, welcome back. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about geometric progression. I've already done arithmetic progression and I've solved questions in arithmetic progression in my previous videos. So for this particular one, I'm going to be talking about arithmetic progression and the formula for finding the nth term of, geometric progression and the formula for finding the nth term of a geometric progression. Now, a geometric progression is simply terms that are got by multiplying a constant. Now, for instance, if I should have that my first term, which is a, is 5, and I have that the second term is 15, and that the third term is 45, and the fourth one is 135. If you take a look at this sequence, you will see that if I should do 15 minus 5, I'm getting 10. If I do 45 minus 15, I'm getting 30. And these two values, 15 and 30, they are not constant. So it means that this sequence was not gotten by adding a common difference. Instead, it was gotten by multiplying each of the terms by a common ratio. So for geometric progression, we make use of common ratios, but for arithmetic progression, we make use of common difference. Now, to find the common ratio, all you have to do is divide the second term by the first term, or divide the third term by the second term, and vice versa. So to find the common ratio of this sequence, all I have to do is 15 divided by 5, and I'm getting 3. So it means that my common ratio here is 3. So each of these terms were multiplied by 3 to get the successive term. So if I should do 5 times 3, I'm getting 15. 15 times 3, I'm getting 45. 45 times 3, I'm getting 135, and then successively. Now, to find the nth term of a GP, that is a geometric progression, I'm going to start explaining it quite step by step. Now, the first term here is already our A. And now the second term is gotten by multiplying A by the common ratio. So to get the second term, I'm getting A multiplied by R, which is AR. And then to get the third term, I'm going to multiply by a common ratio. I'm going to multiply the second term by a common ratio. So if I do AR multiplied by R, I'm going to be getting AR squared. Then my fourth term is also going to be AR cubed, and then so on and so forth. Now, if you look at this, you will see that each of the values are multiplied by the ratio less than one of their position. This here is the first term, and it is multiplied by r raised to power 0. You know anything raised to power 0 is 1. This here is the second term, and it was multiplied by r raised to power 1. This is the third term, and it was multiplied by ar raised to power 2. Now with this, you can see that to find the nth term of a geometric progression, all you have to do is multiply a by the ratio raised to the power the position of that number minus 1. So now this here is how to find the nth term of a geometric progression. Now I'm going to be solving one question now. The question says, find the 50th term of the GP, that is geometric progression, 13, 52, 208. Now to find the 50th term, I'm going to be making use of this formula here. So I'm going to be having that my T15 is equal to, my A is the first term, and the first term here is 13. So I'm going to be having 13 multiplied by my ratio, common ratio, is equal to 52 divided by 13. And 52 divided by 13 is equal to 4. So to be sure that this is actually a geometric progression, you can also do 208 divided by 52, and you're still going to get 4. So the common ratio here is 4. So I'm going to be doing 13 multiplied by 4 raised to power, we have 15 here, raised to power 15 minus 1. And this is giving me 13 multiplied by 4 raised to power 14. 13 times, I'll be having 13 into 4 raised to power 14. You can simply leave your answer like this or maybe expand if you feel like, but whichever way, it is still correct. Thank you. I'm going to be dropping more questions on geometric progression and also their solutions in subsequent videos. Thank you.